Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is the problem 570 managers with at least 5 direct reports. Okay, so we have a table employee here, so we need to write a solution to find managers with at least 5 direct reports. We can return the result in any order. Okay, so we are given with an example here. So you have the table employee with 4 columns: ID, name, department, and manager ID. So we need to return the name John here. Okay, here, so you can see that, so this column ID should be the employee name, right? And this one is corresponding to their manager ID. Okay, so the first row should contain information about the manager of this ID. Okay, so you see 101 and John should be the manager here. And here we have 5 employees here. They all report to John. So okay, so John satisfied the condition of receiving at least 5 direct reports, and we need to return his name here. Okay, so as usual, I will try to copy into the Jupyter Notebook Labs and show you the intermediate steps. Okay, so this is our data. Okay, and this is the questions. Okay, let's try to do step by step. So here we need, so here I can do like that. So first I will need to try to extract the ID of John in this example, right? And in order to do that, I can use Boolean indexing based on the column manager ID and use to count to count and to find the manager ID that have at least 5 occurrence. It means, so for 5 occurrence, it means they should receive at least 5 direct reports from other employees. Okay, remember that this is just one example data frame, so we should try to do in general, okay, to cover other cases as well. Okay, so I will begin with this table and I will try to access the column manager ID. Okay, let me put it here. Okay, and then in order to count the frequencies of the data, we have value counts. Okay, so because this is just a simple example, so you will exactly get this one. But imagine that in their test case, there are other manager ID as well, but they don't receive enough 5 direct reports, so you will have a lot of manager ID here. Okay, so then that's why you need to do some filter or Boolean indexing to find only the rows such that corresponding to the manager ID that have the value 5 direct reports here. Okay, so then I can use an anonymous function here. Lots of way to do this one, but I try to use something unfamiliar or something new with you in that haven't done in previous videos. Okay, so I'm gonna use lambda x anonymous function. Okay, and x here is what? X here is this one, right? Okay, and then I will try to find those with greater or equal 5. Okay, and then I will get exactly this one. Okay, and because I only need to extract the ID of the manager, so I will try to get index only. Okay, so this one 101 here. Okay, yes, so we get the value 101. Okay, so then I will try to do what I try to do next is I will access this data table, and then I will try to only extract the row that have the ID here equal to this one 101, and that is the ID of the manager here. It should be John, and then I will try to access his name, and it's done. Okay. So let me try to put in another cells here. Okay, employee, and I will try to access only. So for example, I can so I can put X here and I can put X here. That's fine. But suppose that I can copy the whole thing here. Okay. Go here to show you. Okay. I can do this. Yes, and finally I just need to access the name. Okay. So it works, and let's try to copy back. Okay, so I try to return in just one line of code, and let's try to run it. Okay, and let's try to submit it to see if we can pass on the cases. Okay, good. Try again. Okay, brilliant in terms of runtime and memory as well. Okay, so this should be among the best solution. Thank you for watching my videos. Feel free to discover other approaches as well, and if possible give me a subscription for me to do more videos in the future. Okay, thank you.